Hi, beta.
Hi.
What happened?
My
How's the
exam went off very bad.
Why? What happened?
I forgot the answer of 5 questions.
5 questions?
Yes, which were of 20 marks.
Oh my God! What have you done? क्यों याद नहीं रहा? कौन सा क्वेश्चन था बताओ मुझे?
फिफ्थ वाला यहाँ से.
But this is a very easy question. ये तो हमने कल ही करा था.
याद नहीं आया.
क्यों नहीं याद आया? हमने कितना प्रैक्टिस करा था इसका? I knew you would do this. मुझे पता था तुम छोड़ के आओगी. अब क्या करें? तुम्हारा जो ज्यादा इतना खेलना हो रहा है ना, इसी वजह से.
पर ये मेरी गलती नहीं है.
कैसे तुम्हारी गलती नहीं है?
Whenever I sit down to write the exam, I forget everything.
But why does that happen? Because you are not confident.
But it's not my fault.
Stress, anxiety, exam phobia, loss in memory, inability to concentrate, these are manifestations of mind. Mind is the most powerful entity in this world. Mind can take a person to the top of his profession and make him an Einstein, Abdul Kalam or Ramanujan. Or a person who finds it difficult to control his mind will go down to the depths. 8% of the world's population controls 80% of the wealth of the world. Because these guys, they know how to control their mind. A person who can control his mind can do seemingly impossible tasks, like bending a spoon with one hand. For example, this spoon is difficult to bend. A person who can control his mind, who knows how to bend this, how to control his mind to bend this spoon, can easily do that. Similarly, a person who can control his mind can improve his memory, his concentration, remove the anxiety, stress, or exam phobia, and reach the top of his or her profession. And it's a very easy thing to do. Using some meditation exercises and guided visualization exercises, everybody can learn how to control their mind. And this is what is done by the top athletes, top businessmen, top actors, top performers. All of them, they learn, they know how to program their mind, how to control their mind, and that's why they have been able to reach the top of their profession.